Viswanathan. I am from NAMO Solar Rooftop Solutions Pvt Ltd.
Okay.
We supply module mounting structures for solar rooftops. Okay. Our company started in 2016. Okay. We supply module mounting structures for all types of roofs, for flat roofs, metal sheet roof, asbestos sheet roofs, and standing seam roof also. Apart from these structures, we supply clamps for all types of panels.
Okay. So total how many districts you are in, sir? Tamil Nadu, like?
So we supply all over India.
All over India.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you're already done. So how many projects you would have done till now, like?
No, it's like we supply structures only.
Okay.
So it's not depends on the project.
Installation, it's not installation dependent.
Yeah. Okay. We have supplied more than 1 gigawatt material.
1 gigawatt material. Yes. Okay. Okay. Fine. So how about the warranty and other things, sir?
Warranty, we give 10 years warranty for our structures.
Okay. And the rusting and other things, sir? Like,
actually, aluminium, it won't get rusted.
Okay.
But for marine applications or near to seashore, it's better to do anodizing.
Anodizing. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So what will be the roughly cost of this one, sir? Like structure? So maybe if I am doing for 1
like
kilowatt.
For a panel, for a flat roof, if it is for one panel, around 1,300 rupees.
Okay.
Okay. It is same for metal sheet roof. It varies per kilowatt, 600 rupees to 1,000 rupees.
600 rupees.
Depends on the height of the structure.
Okay. Okay.